and my today video will cover the asphaltic wearing course as well. The tolerance of plus minus 3 mm shall be allowed in compacted thickness of wearing course. You can make the following price adjustment: the quantity into the percentage allowed divided by 100. 0 plus 190 width is different from the previous one. This is because of transition area. Let's say we have the core thickness on 0 plus 190 is 80%, 90%, 95%. This is the total quantity which is payable. I linked this quantity in summary. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to the QS Civil Engineering and Excel Tips. On the request of many subscribers from different countries, now I am going to make my all upcoming videos in English language. So my today video is about very important and expensive topic, that is asphaltic wearing course. Dear friends, as you know, I made my all videos step by step from clearing rubbing to asphaltic base level, and my today video will cover the asphaltic wearing course as well. So let's move towards the topic. Chapter number 17, item number 305, according to the National Highway Specification of Pakistan. Item number 305, asphaltic concrete wearing course. It is the outermost finishing surface of the road. This work shall consist of furnishing aggregates and asphalt binder at a central mixing plant to a specified mixing temperature, transporting, spreading and compacting the mixture in an approved manner on primed or tacked base, subbase, subgrade, bridge deck or concrete pavement in accordance with these specifications and in conformity with the lines, grades and typical cross sections shown in the drawings or as directed by the engineer. Material requirements: the aggregates shall consist of coarse aggregates, fine aggregates and filler material if required, and for the asphaltic material, bitumen of required grade. So now move towards the measurement and payment. The quantities of asphaltic wearing course shall be measured by volume in cubic meter, laid and compacted in place. Measurements shall be based on the dimension as shown on plans or as otherwise directed or authorized by the engineer. According to the National Highway Authority of Pakistan, a tolerance of plus minus 3 mm shall be allowed in compacted thickness of wearing course. The quantity determined as provided above shall be paid for at the contract unit price respectively for each of the particular pay items shown in the bill of quantities. You can make the following price adjustment according to the deficiency. So deficiency in thickness as determined by course: 0.0 mm to 3 mm. Proportional rate of contract price allowed 100%. From 3.1 mm to 5 mm 90%, and from 5.1 mm to 10 mm the proportional rate of contract price allowed 80%. When wearing course is more than 10 mm deficient in thickness, the contractor shall remove such deficient area and replace them with wearing course of an approved quality and thickness, or the contractor may have an option to replace an additional layer of wearing course grading with a minimum thickness of 35 mm. The contractor will receive no compensation for the above additional work. So let's take a look on summary of asphalt concrete wearing course. Pay item number 305A. Description of items: asphaltic concrete for wearing course class A, unit of measurement cubic meter. 305B. Asphaltic concrete for wearing course class B, unit of measurement cubic meter. And these codes are according to the National Highway Specification of Pakistan. Practically calculations. Before moving towards the photograph, take a look on Microsoft Excel measurement sheet of asphaltic wearing course in detail so that you can easily apply this in your own working. Let's go. So friend, this is the summary of asphalt concrete for wearing course class A. In this summary, I linked the total quantity of page number 1, So let's move toward the page. Viewers, this is the measurement sheet for asphaltic concrete wearing course. In this sheet, we have several columns like serial number, chainage, length, width, average width, thickness, quantity, percentage allowed, payable quantity, and remarks. Chainage start from 00 to 180, length 180 meters, width 11.450, average width takes the average of previous RD and the current RD. So thickness 0.05, which is mentioned in your cross section or drawings or as directed by the engineer. This is the quantity, length, average width in thickness, and this is the percentage allowed. So friends, in chainage we have start from 00 to 180, length of 180 meters, width you can get width from the cross section, and you can also use the cross sectional area. So thickness is also mentioned on your construction drawing or typical cross section. The quantity, length into average width into thickness. So we have the quantity, but this is not the final quantity. The final quantity will comes after the deduction of percentage, which comes from the course thickness, which I already discussed. So the payable quantity comes after the quantity into the percentage allowed divided by 100. 0 plus 190, width is different from the previous one. This is because of transition area. So simply at the end we have the total quantities which comes after the deduction, like let's say we have the core thickness on 0 plus 190 is 80%. So you see that automatically thickness reduce after applying the formula 90%, 95%. This is the total quantity which is payable. I linked this quantity in summary here, so you can deduct the previous paid quantities in previous invoices, like 45.900. This is the previous already paid quantity. So the remaining this bill net quantity is 111.112 cubic meters. So let's move toward the presentation file. Asphaltic wearing course photographs. So friends, I just attach these photographs for young learners who can take an idea about the wearing course. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notifications of every video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.